Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. These amazing quilts on the set with me are made from Edyta Sitar's new collections from Andover. I fell in love with it and I couldn't decide pink, I couldn't decide blue, so I did them both. That's what I love to do. This is a twin size quilt. Both of them are twin size quilts. This is Sweet 16. This is Perfect Union. I love how they have that classic floral look and with the accompaniment of the log cabin trim tool duo, which is how I made the blocks. Even if you're a beginner, this is totally in your lane and you can do it. I recorded the video on how to use this in conjunction with a spinning mat. So again, even if you're new, you can totally do these quilts. We're offering the twin size quilts as what's called a reserve, and that may be a new term or maybe you've heard that before. What that means is because we have limited quantities and we tend to sell out very quickly, especially on bed-size quilts that don't actually come along that often, you're able to reserve your kit for just $10 deposit, and you can also reserve the coordinating backing for an additional $10 deposit. When those kits arrive here at Shabby Fabrics, we'll bill you for the difference and ship them out at that time. And as always, you know, we offer free shipping on orders over $75 to the United States and affordable shipping internationally. Now, if a twin size quilt is maybe just too big for you, I couldn't resist doing them in some fun wall hanging sizes. Same trim tool duo, same block. I just added some fun sashing, a cornerstone in the middle, and some borders. So that's a fun wall hanging or maybe even a table topper. These kits are available now, as well as some other fat quarter totes and other projects, pillowcases that you might enjoy as well. You can always see those by going to our kits and viewing what's available there. So as I said, limited quantities, be sure to grab that, let a friend know, and hey, if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, which now you're learning about a lot of our new kits being available here on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and also on our email list, because that's how we can connect with you and let you know what's coming up, and of course sales too. So thanks again for giving me part of your day to show you these amazing projects, and I'll see you soon.